Kicking off with football, Jamaica's Reggae Girlz have been drawn alongside France, Brazil and one of Chinese Taipei, Paraguay or Papua New Guinea in Group F for next year's FIFA Women's World Cup to be jointly hosted by Australia and New Zealand. The World Cup draw was conducted in New Zealand today. Karen Madden reports.
The Jamaicans, who will play all their group fixtures in Australia, will kickstart their campaign against 2019 host France on July 23 in Sydney. As they did in their debut tournament in 2019, Jamaica will again face Brazil. This game will be played in Melbourne on August 2.
No, totally different Brazil side. It's a younger team, different coach. My condolence to the old coach, he passed away, but he is a very good coach, so obviously we have our work cut out. Young, fast, skillful Brazilian team, so we have to be ready.
Head coach Lauren Donaldson, who watched the draw in Auckland, knows that the technical team will have to be strategic over the next few months.
Well, we have to play some like I say, we have to try to find some like teams to play, and then we have to try to look and see. We have our next window coming up here soon in Jamaica. The February window becomes very important. What do we do with it? Because obviously people want us to come to them, and we were trying to do a window in Jamaica. So we have to make sure that we do the right thing for the team. So that's the planning part of it. And then moving away from that, then we have to making sure that the right players are in and the coaching staff is ready to work.
Former Reggae Girlz assistant coach Andrew Price concedes that it's a tough group, but stressed the importance of preparation.
And at this level of competition, all groups are going to be hard. And Jamaica was drawn in a very difficult group, So, it's two hard games. We just have to take it one game at a time. The first game is always the most important game, and that will be against France. So, we'll have to just prepare for it. What we have to do now is utilize the windows to play teams with similar systems that have been drawn in our group.
Harbourview FC General Manager Clyde Giridini concurs.
You get to the big dance, you're going to have to dance, and whoever you get, you're going to have to do as best as you can do. For me, as always, the victory has been to achieve getting to the next World Cup. We are there now to prepare and see if we can pick off one or two big favorites. France and Brazil are super teams, and we know that best. Coach Lauren Donaldson and the ladies, no doubt, will be preparing and highly motivated to see if they can get a Bills cab in the early rounds and set up themselves to move forward.
Jamaica will know their opponent for their July 29 game in Perth in February, following a 10-game Interconfederation playoff. The Reggae Girlz will play two friendly internationals against Paraguay on November 10 at the Montego Bay Sports Complex and on November 13 at the National Stadium. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.